Today, we're showing you all of the different recording modes of the Deity THEOS DBTX. Important note, the US version cannot record and transmit at the same time. The moment you enter a recording mode, the RF power will be disabled. Though, the different recording settings are the same across all regions. To access your record settings, go into the menu and scroll down to the Record Mode tab. Inside this, you will see your bitrate as well as 3 different recording modes: Always, Manual, and Sync Rec. Before selecting your record mode, select your bitrate. The DBTX is capable of 24-bit and 32-bit float. If you'd like the DBTX to start recording as soon as the device is powered on, select Always. Once the device powers off or the memory card is full, the recording will stop and a file will automatically be saved. If you'd like to choose when to start recording, select Manual. The recording will only begin and end when you press the record button. Quick tip, you can trigger this recording remotely from the app as well. If you'd like the recording to automatically start the moment timecode is synced between devices, select Sync Rec. This is useful if you'd like to trigger a recording wirelessly from a TC1 or TC-SL1. Please note, while multiple devices can have their recordings triggered simultaneously by receiving a timecode signal, you will need to manually stop the recording on each device individually or collectively from the app. Those are the 3 recording modes available to you on the DBTX. Hopefully this video clears up what they can do for you. Happy shooting.